It's early in the morning, I need a pick-me-up, so pour me some coffee into my coffee cup. Coffee in my coffee hole. Just bring me coffee, put it in my hole. My need for coffee is just out of control. Oh please, somebody, won't you put it in my hole? Coffee in my coffee hole. I want coffee stuffed down my hole. Right in the ass.